This should be loud.
Well, Mom. You sure?
That's what it said.
Why is it always going towards me? Why is the smoke always going towards me?
There's the wind blowing that way.
Is that the right word?
Wait for it, Joey. It's better. Oh, it's like a little volcano.
How long is it gonna take?
I don't know. This one's kind of lame, though. No, it's on fire.
Shut up. Shut up. Gotta enjoy it. Go out
Is
already.
it making popcorn? What's it doing? No, it's just on fire. That motherfucker's on fire.
What'd you say, Dad? Dad, what'd you say?
I said that mofo is on fire.
Yay! He said the F word, you guys. I'll put it out.
No, Shine, stay away from me.
Dang, it's like on fire, bro.
Y'all stay away.
I like fire.
Y'all stay away.
So pretty. So pretty. I'm kidding. Or maybe pretty. Are you crazy?
Dad! You say me.
All right, babies. Last one.
Alright, my lungs can't take it.
All right, this one's all daddy.
That's what I was gonna say. Kenzie, come here.
This one's all daddy. Stay away. Somehow this bug got wet.
Can't take I'm like coughing my lungs off. Were you coughing your lungs off, Kenzie?
Yeah!
What were you coughing like? Dad?
Your dad is a pokey. You see next video, how can decide is this a person next person? Bye!
That's a goose.
Bye!
All right, here we go.
Are
Yeah.
you ready, Kenzie?
Yeah.
Last one, baby.
Hey, Dad, remember I was chasing the smoke and then I coughed?
Oh, I do. Last one. Here we go. Loud and proud.
Woo!
Hopefully it don't burn the hell out of me. I'm scared. Daddy got burnt like 9 times.
Ah! You're like, ah!
Son of a bitch! Dude!
Daddy,
Come here, baby. Last one should be big. Should be nice and big. Thing's got a lot of...
Why is it always going towards me? Holy fuck, it's going like
Oh, it's going again!
Told you, we should say this thing for last. Ow, my neck hurts. There's my shadow. Wow.
Happy 4th of July, Shy.
Is that sucker still blowing?
Yo, it's still going. I think it's got 6 of them in there.
Or maybe 100.
And that was 4, so maybe we got 2 more.
That it?
It's a good thing we brought that water bucket.
Wow, mama!
That's it.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoy these fireworks. And if you guys enjoy these fireworks, please subscribe for more. I'm out, you guys. Peace.